To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by using the special tool included in your kit from newpower99.com to open your Garmin as shown. Carefully lift the screen, being sure not to damage the ribbon cable attached. Remove the 4 screws securing the circuit board. Carefully lift out the circuit board to reveal the original battery. Disconnect the battery. Pry the battery loose from its adhesive to reveal the connecting speaker wires. Using scissors, wire cutters, or wire strippers not included in your kit, snip the 2 wires connected to the speaker. Strip the speaker wire coverings as shown using the 26 gauge wire stripper available at your hardware store. Twist together the exposed wire from your newpower 99 battery and the speaker. Be sure to match the wire colors. Use a glue gun available at your hardware store to permanently connect and protect the wires. Be careful not to touch the tip of the glue gun as it is very hot. Alternatively, you can use solder, but you will need to cover the exposed wire with electrical tape to prevent shorting. Seat your new extended life battery from newpower99.com. Connect your new battery. Return the circuit board to its original position. Replace the 4 screws. Replace the screen and press into place. Turn on your Garmin Edge with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Garmin Edge should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.